machine, and we have VPN'd to Steve's environment in California, and we have interfaced with the vSphere APIs and brought his environment with a picture of his home lab into the virtual reality experience. So now Steve's going to walk us through his home lab in virtual space. And I also want to point out real quick before you get going, Steve, that after this presentation in the next vendor crawl, we're going to have this set up in a roped off area and allow everyone else to experience the VR. It's actually really cool. It's so much cooler to be in the VR than it is to see it on the screen. And then we're going to have it back in here for the happy hour at the end. So, Steve, take it away.
All right. So I'll be completely honest. This thing makes me a little bit dizzy. So if I fall down, don't be alarmed. So what we're looking at here, actually, if you look at the picture on the back wall here, this is essentially my home lab, right? So that's my desk that I use for work, and on the top of it is the bookshelf there, and then up on the top is basically my lab. So what we're looking at here, each of these boxes is a host within my environment, and then I can actually move closer here. So let me move over here. So here you can see all the VMs running on top of this host. So this host here is number 4, which happens to be that host right there. And I'll get into details around what my lab looks like here in a few minutes. So this virtual reality environment allows me to do certain things. So I can pick up this controller. For instance, this is an NSX controller. You can see it's got 4 CPU. It's basically some other Linux, that's probably SUSE. 4 gigs of memory, 28 gigs of storage. Doesn't show the network for some reason. It's currently powered on, right, in virtual machine hardware version 10. Here's VROPS, right, that's less. So I can stack these VMs if I want to. It's gonna fall. It's harder than it looks, to be honest. So this is actually a nested ESXi host, which shows up here, let's see, down there somewhere. Let's see if I can move over there. Yeah, so this one right here, this guy. Let me move over here. So we got the garbage can here. It doesn't actually do anything, but I could, in theory, pick this up and drop it in the garbage can. But if I move over the edge and just throw it over there, it kind of falls into nothingness. Yeah. This is kind of read-only, so nothing actually happened to that VM. It didn't just like disappear and remove from inventory, so to speak, right? But yeah, pretty cool. I think the goal here is, we'll be working closer with Alan and trying to make this a little bit more usable and actually do some read-write stuff, right? So if I wanted to move this VM, I just throw it over to that host over there. There you go, man. I just V-motion.
That makes V-motion so much more fun.
Yeah, right? It's pretty fun, though. I'm going to take this thing off now, though, before I throw it, because I'm a little bit busy here. But like Kevin said, we're going to have this in the area, what do we call it? The partner area, right?
Vendor Expo area. So you're after this. But yeah, we also would like to hear some feedback on what you would like to see this environment do. So some of the ideas that we have are we'd like to put a switch on the hosts themselves to enable and disable maintenance mode. And if you've got DRS enabled, you can watch all the VMs maybe fly from one to another, or do some true V-motions between the two. They're kind of some of the initial ideas we have. Or just power on, power off VMs. Some simple tasks that should be a lot of fun, within the environment. And Alan, like I said, we've kind of partnered up with him. We've already looked at all the code, how everything works. It's all 100% open source, by the way, on GitHub. So if anybody wants to contribute to it, on the GitHub page, you can make requests out there. So.
Yeah, we actually put some links here. If we could switch back to the other. So, and we can make these slides available. So, cool. So moving forward.